Okay guys, take a look at this one. Apologize for the background noise. We're in a very busy place, Jayco homecoming here. But the Greyhawk this year, look at this thing. This is the most incredible coach that I've seen in a long, long time. I love the paint, full body paint on this Greyhawk. Black wheels, leveling. Greyhawk brings the fiberglass roof, so the Greyhawk going to be a level up than we typically see on the Red Hawk, but bringing a few more amenities to the table, and one of them is this beautiful, beautiful paint job. So this particular floor plan right here is going to give us tons of storage on the outside. They can see they've even finished off that storage compartment with a little bit darker paneling just to make it fit with everything else. Ladder to the roof. Incredible coach. Phil, why don't we come take a look inside, my friend, see what this beauty brings to the table. So when I get up in here, going from that extreme, like kind of, I don't know, bad boy look on the outside with all the black and the black wheels, then I come into here and it totally is a change. So we go to a light interior, just well laid out, just the fit and finish. The quality of it kind of has like a little bit of a Euro feel to me. Perfect sleeping area back here, queen bed, slide out, huge I don't want to say huge entertainment center, but huge storage area with an entertainment center around it. We actually even have some storage behind that TV. It's got the split bath that most Class C's are known for, so very, very common to see a split bath here. So we're gonna have bathroom on one side and shower on the other, so you can have one person getting ready in the shower and one person using the lavatory if need be while you're getting ready. Just a great coach, great layout, good sleeping up above. We can actually break this this thing up here from making it into a bed to opening it up so the driver has a little bit more headroom and you don't feel claustrophobic in that area there. Multiplex system in the Greyhawk, generator, solar, on-demand water heater, the list goes on and on. So anyway, Greyhawk series, incredible paint job on the outside of this guy, which is opted in. It can be done white like we saw on the Red Hawk. Great floor plan. Come check out the Red Hawk series. If you are a Class C buyer and you haven't looked at the Red Hawk, Greyhawk, come check them out. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road, and happy camping.